This isn't a twig, it's actually a brake line that has corroded. What are your replacement options? Well, we're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper. Visit us online for more information.
If you live in the Rust Belt, this is a very familiar sight. This was once a brake line. Now it is a corroded mess. It is corroded on the outside because the outer coating has been blasted away by road debris from just being underneath the vehicle. Also on the inside, chances are the customer did not change their brake fluid when it was recommended. This means that the brake fluid is now very corrosive and it no longer has the additive package or the buffers inside to control corrosion. And the brake line has now failed. So what are your options? Well, there's a couple out there on the market. First of all are kits with the hard lines itself. These match the OE lines themselves and are either made out of stainless steel or other comparable materials that hopefully will not corrode. Your other option, well, fabricate your own lines. If you're doing that, make an investment in your tools to cut and deburr the lines, bend the lines, and also flare the lines themselves at the ends. Also, there's other options out there that are new to the market in the past decade. This is a special material that is able to bend into position, and if you're involved in like a job where you have to replace it on a gas tank, you can bend it, insert it into the area, and then stretch it out. Most important thing to remember is to replace it all the way from the caliper or wheel cylinder to the master cylinder. Don't just patch sections. Chances are it's going to develop another leak and that customer is going to be back. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.